Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're zeroing in on Handyman Gauteng, breaking down their comprehensive home repair and renovation services specifically for folks out in Boksburg. Look, if you own a property, you already know the drill. Keeping it in top shape, that's practically a full-time job on its own, right? So let's jump right into how this local team takes that weight off your shoulders.
We have absolutely all been there. You're searching for a trusted handyman, and it instantly turns into the classic homeowner headache. Especially out in the East Rand, trying to find reliable, professional help can literally feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. I mean, you need someone who's actually going to answer the phone, show up when they promise to, and not leave your house looking like an active construction zone for 6 months. Well, that's exactly the problem this specific team was built to solve.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, why choose Handyman Gauteng? Then, we'll cover renovations and building, followed by waterproofing and roofing. After that, we'll look at general handyman and interior services. And finally, there's super simple 3 steps to booking. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why choose Handyman Gauteng? Solving the Boksburg homeowner's dilemma. Okay, think about this stark contrast for a second. On one side, you have the typical, incredibly frustrating experience. You know, contractors ghosting you after setting up an appointment, or those infamous hidden costs that just magically appear halfway through a job. It's the worst. But Handyman Gauteng offers the exact opposite. They guarantee confirmed bookings, meaning absolutely no ghost visits and honest upfront pricing. You get a free, no-obligation quote so you know exactly what the financial picture looks like before a single hammer is even swung. And here's the thing. They actually have the track record to back those promises up. This number right here is crucial, a 4.9-star Google rating. Now, in the home repair industry, people usually only leave reviews when things go wrong, right? So maintaining a 4.9 is a massive instant trust signal. It proves they aren't just blowing smoke with marketing claims, they are consistently delivering top-tier work and skilled tradespeople, totally earning the trust of their local community. And that community focus is genuinely hyper-local. They cover the entire spectrum of Boksburg suburbs. So whether you have a family home in Sunward Park, a place in Vasslarus or Parkrand, or maybe you're living in an estate near the East Rand Mall, or out by OR Tambo International Airport, they know the area. They don't have to navigate from the total opposite side of the province. Their East Rand team is already positioned to get to you fast. And because they are so local, their speed and efficiency are just off the charts. Get this. Most Boksburg jobs are actually booked within the very same week. Seriously, think about that. The next time you walk past a repair that's been sitting on your to-do list for months. Plus, every single quote is provided in writing before any work starts. No handshake estimates, no ambiguity, just crystal clear professional communication. Moving on to Section 2, renovations and building. Let's talk about large-scale home transformations. So these guys handle the full spectrum of heavy lifting projects. Imagine you want a complete home makeover. If you're looking to totally gut a kitchen, they step in with custom cabinetry, countertops, and full rebuilds. For the bathroom, they handle everything from the behind-the-scenes waterproofing to the final vanity fitting and beautiful floor and wall tiling. They also do quality interior and exterior painting to give your entire property a fresh vibe. Oh, and one detail that is incredibly relevant for us right now, they design and build custom steel carport structures specifically for solar panels. They really are a one-stop shop for modernizing a property. All right, Section 3, waterproofing and roofing, protecting your home from the elements. Let's break down how they handle overhead protection, because water damage is no joke. Under waterproofing, they manage the tricky stuff, flat roofs, basements, balconies, you name it. For roof repairs, they specialize in leak detection and fixing gnarly storm damage, along with tile replacement and ridge sealing. Now, if your roof is structurally sound but just looks tired, their roof painting service includes a heavy-duty, high-pressure clean, priming, and quality acrylic paint. And finally, to make sure all that water actually flows away from your foundation, they supply, install, and repair both aluminum and UPVC gutters. Section 4. Handyman and Interior Services, the everyday fixes and essential maintenance. General handyman services covers exactly what you'd think. All those pesky little odd jobs you never seem to have the time or, let's be honest, the right tools to do yourself. You know that flat pack furniture that's been sitting in a box in the hallway? They'll assemble it. Need a heavy TV securely mounted to the wall? A door that stubbornly refuses to close properly? Or maybe some drywall that needs patching? They handle it all. Absolutely no job is too small, and they bring the exact same level of professionalism to mounting your TV as they do to building a room addition. But beyond those quick odd jobs, they also offer highly specialized interior work. On the carpentry side, we're talking about crafting custom shelving, hanging doors, fitting skirting boards, building out beautiful built-in wardrobes, and even constructing outdoor decking for your entertainment area. And then there's the plumbing. They are ready to respond to the real stress inducers like geyser problems, stubborn drain unblocking, leaky taps, and those emergency burst pipes that always seem to happen on a weekend.
Which brings us to Section 5, 3 steps to booking. A totally frictionless process. Honestly, getting them to your door is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, you just reach out via WhatsApp, give them a quick call, or use their website form. Just tell them where you are in Boksburg and what you need done. Step 2, you receive a free, detailed written quote. Remember, absolutely 0 hidden surprises. Step 3, they get it done. The team arrives on time, completes the work to a very high standard, and, actually this might be the best part, they guarantee to clean up the workspace after every single job before they leave. How rare is that?
And that leads us perfectly into their core ethos. Reliable handyman services across Gauteng, done right first time. That one phrase really summarizes their entire approach. They aren't interested in slapping a Band-Aid on a problem. They want to properly assess the job, price it fairly up front, and complete it to a standard where you never have to call them back for the same issue twice. So I want to leave you with a quick question to think about. What lingering repair, minor annoyance, or dream renovation is holding your Boksburg home back right now? Whether it's a leaky roof keeping you up at night, a kitchen screaming for a total overhaul, or literally just a TV sitting on a stand that needs mounting on the wall, there is a professional local team ready to handle it for you. Take a walk around your property today, make a list of those nagging issues, and consider reaching out to them at +27 788 62 3057 to finally get it sorted. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and here is to a hassle-free, beautiful home.